Namaste to all. I am Dr. N. Venkatesh, representing Canara Engineering College, Bantwada, Karnataka. At the outset, I would like to thank IIC and MIC for giving us an opportunity to conduct Impact Lecture Series. We had two lecture series. First series was conducted on 20th June and the second series was conducted on 2nd July. In the second series, we had two sessions. First session was conducted by Dr. Vijay Raghavan Chariyar, and the second session was conducted by one of the young women entrepreneurs, Miss Aditi Khot. She is the founder and designer and CEO at Rangeela, Pune. During this session, Miss Aditi explained the journey from being a student to an entrepreneur and what hurdles she had to face during the journey and how she could overcome the hurdles and become a successful entrepreneur. And she also told about the role of design thinking in developing products and implementing the empathize phase in design thinking was explained in detail. Students had a very interactive session and could understand the various benefits of being an entrepreneur. And she also told about entrepreneurship is a journey to enjoy. It's not of course it has hurdles, but if we overcome such hurdles, how we can become highly successful in our life. All these things were told, and students and staff members could get lots of benefits from Miss Aditi. Thank you.